Hi everyone, Prem here from NoteDex. Just want to give you a quick video to show you some of the new features we've added to the canvas. So I'm going to open up our project Artemis stack where you can see we have a number of NoteDex cards. Now when we click Add New Canvas, you'll see a couple of new features on the canvas. Two features are, on the left-hand side, we have a left-hand sidebar that you can expand, and this shows you all of your existing cards in NoteDex, and you can change the stack that you're viewing and you can see your cards. Now, for the first time, you can add your existing cards onto your canvas. So now you can create your cards and capture your information and then visually organize them and think about your cards onto a canvas. So how do you do that? Very simple. We've got a couple of icons, but what you do is you click the blue plus icon, which is Add Card, and that will add this card onto the canvas, and you can move it around as you wish. Now, I'll just resize that to large. I'll set the default to be large, and now let me add a few more of the cards from the project so I can sort of have a canvas to visualize and think about all the different cards that we've created. So that's pretty easy and quick, and we'll just add one more here. Okay, so now you can also not only add an existing card, you could, if you wanted to, double click and edit the card. The whole NoteDex editor, and you see the full NoteDex editor appears, and so we can edit a card if we want to. Finally, you can now also add new actual NoteDex cards directly onto the canvas. So if you remember, currently we have a simple add new card feature, which adds just a sort of a simple card onto the canvas, but these cards are sort of standalone and they only exist on the canvas unless you export them to NoteDex. Now you can actually create a new NoteDex card, which is why we've colored it in blue. So you've got two different types of adding a card. Let's add a NoteDex card, and the NoteDex editor appears, and we can edit and select which stack that the card goes into. And let's say new Artemis timeline. Okay, and just so that you see that this is a new card, we'll color it in yellow, and we'll quit. So now what happens is you've created a new NoteDex card, it's been added to the canvas, and it's been added to the actual stack. So let me just go back, let me just give this a name, Artemis map. Go back. We see that we have the canvas here, and then let me just sync and refresh the view, and we've got the actual new NoteDex card that we created inside the canvas itself. So the new canvas is great because maybe you might just want to start from a blank page and you want to just start, creating some ideas and adding them as true NoteDex cards onto your canvas, and this way you can create full NoteDex cards and you can position them and visualize them on the visual canvas, which allows for really good brainstorming and thinking. Okay, those were, I think, the key main features of being able to add the cards. Oh, just one more thing. You notice we have two other icons here. The top left is just copy, so that copies the text to the clipboard of that NoteDex card. And the paste is actually, we'll create a simple card with just the text of the full NoteDex card. So this is just the regular canvas simple card with the text on it as well, if you wanted to do that. Okay, so that's it for the new features of the canvas, and we hope you enjoy and give us feedback. We really appreciate it. Thank you.